Have you ever come across those videos that promise to reveal secrets for losing weight, but end up leaving you frustrated and without answers? Well, many people have been through that. But what exactly is this rice method that everyone is talking about? And why doesn't anyone exactly reveal how it works? Throughout this video, I'm going to tell you all about this mysterious method and answer these questions that are leaving everyone curious. And if you've ever been annoyed by senseless videos like these, know that I share that frustration too. That's why I decided to investigate thoroughly and bring all the answers to you. A new trend of viral videos has been spreading across social media, especially in short videos. In them, several people promise a secret method that, they say, can make you lose a lot of weight quickly. The rice method is mentioned, but no video reveals the recipe or the ingredients. Instead, they all direct you to an even longer video with a big highlight on the words rice method. And that's where I started unraveling this mystery. These viral videos have caused a stir because of one in particular, the video that started this endless trend.
Sister's fridge. Look at all the food. She eats this every day, and she's still losing weight. Okay, I'm on this one. This video is every morning. Her husband Tom too gets something from the kitchen cabinet, takes it with her, and then shuts herself in the back. How are they doing there to get so slim so quickly? There goes Grace again. Your secret weight loss method. Off to the kitchen. There Grace goes again. What is she doing? Enough is enough. I want to know what's going on. I'm going to follow her.
Recorded by acquaintances of Tom Harris, this video accidentally launched the formula of the rice method to the world. In summary, Tom met Dr. Michael Kim, a Vietnamese doctor, who shared with him the main ingredients that natives of his country consume and explained how brown fat can be crucial in the fat-burning process. But what is this brown fat? Well, it's found in babies and has the function of keeping them warm. However, as we grow, we lose this fat, which is capable of burning up to 9 times more calories than a normal cell. Studies show that lean people have a higher percentage of brown fat in their bodies, and it's possible to increase this amount of brown fat through supplementation, like the one developed by Dr. Kim in Vietnam. To better understand the story behind this revolutionary supplement, I recommend watching the video linked in the first comment. But if you're as eager as I am and want to know more about this supplement and how it works in the body right now, check out the second link in the comments. The problem with this viralization is that many people started using this content without understanding the context behind it. Tom was looking for professionals to share his knowledge responsibly, but unfortunately, some product affiliate programs may not undergo rigorous vetting. This resulted in low-quality affiliates, tarnishing the reputation of the rice method. The rice method isn't revealed in the videos because the product is made only with ingredients from a location that isn't even in the US. But it has been changing the lives of many people who trust in the transformation that this supplement can bring. And the best part, they offer a 60-day satisfaction guarantee. So if you take it correctly every day, it's impossible not to notice the difference by the second month. And if by any chance you don't notice, you can simply request a refund. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Comment below what you think, and see you next time.